Good morning everyone. Mrs Cross here with a recap of our maths learning from last week. Have a think about what Mrs Delgado showed us. Well done if you remembered that she helped us understand one more and one less using those tricky team numbers. When we're adding one more, the number gets bigger. I wonder what happens when we're subtracting one. When we're subtracting or taking one away, the number gets smaller. Mrs Delgado gave us two strategies to help us calculate the answers to the questions one more and one less. We're going to use them again today. The first was practical equipment, and then we'll have a look at a number line. Get your practical equipment together. I'm going to use Lego today. Here I have 16 Lego cubes and I'm going to take one away, so one less than 16. So let's take away, just one cube. And now, how many do I have? I've counted the cubes and I've worked out the answer is 15. 1 less than 16 equals 15. Did you get the same answer as me? Well done. Now let's try adding one more. Here I have 12 Lego cubes and I'm going to add one more. There we go. What is 1 more than 12? Work out the answer. 1 more than 12 equals 13. I think you're all getting really good at using practical equipment to help you solve mathematical problems. I want you to now try the next strategy, number lines. Here is my number line from 0 through to 20. I drew it this morning. And at the top, I've written something to help me. On the left-hand side of the piece of paper, I've written take away 1 with an arrow pointing that way. And on the right-hand side of the paper, I've written add 1 with an arrow pointing to the right. That helps me to remember which way I need to jump on my number line when I'm adding 1 or when I'm taking 1 away. I saw Mrs Delgado do that last week and I thought that was a really good idea. I want to work out 1 more than 12. If I'm adding 1 more, which way am I going to jump on my number line? I'm going to jump 1 place to the right, and I've got my arrows at the top to help me. There we go. I've jumped 1 place to the right. 1 more than 12 equals 13. Now let's have a go at subtraction. To calculate my subtraction, I need to jump to the left 1 place. So I'm starting at 17. I want to find out what 1 less than 17 is. Have a look. I need to jump that way 1 place. What do you think the answer is? Let's work it out. So I'm at 17 and I'm going to jump that way 1 place and I get to 16. 1 less than 17 equals 16. It's now time for your challenge. You can see that I've written down a list of team numbers and I want you to work out 1 less than and 1 more than for each number. You can use practical equipment and a number line. Have a go at using both strategies. Which one works best for you? Let me know how you get on. Bye!